Well, howdy folks. Hey, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Man, I've got an electrifying review for you today. Well, it's not really a review, it's more of a show and tell. I bought this 5 AC outlets with 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C port adapter that goes on an outlet upstairs. I haven't used it yet, so that's why it's not a review. It's really more of a show and tell. But I'll tell you the reason that I needed this. Actually, I didn't need it. I'll tell you the reason I wanted this. Let's put it that way. A lot of people have their favorite chair in their living room or wherever. Favorite spot. Next to my chair is a little table, a little side table. It's got a shelf on it. I keep my laptop there because I like to sit in my recliner, get on my laptop. Sometimes I'm working, sometimes I'm playing, sometimes I'm watching YouTube, different things like that. But I sit there and my laptop charger plugs into the outlet right behind that table. A lot of times I'll have my iPad in there too because I do my editing for this channel on my iPad most of the time. And so a lot of times I want to plug it in as well. So that takes up the second spot. From Thanksgiving to New Year's, our Christmas tree sits right there, so it plugs in there as well. So I thought, if I had something like this where I could plug a charger in rather than taking up an outlet for the charger for my iPad. Sometimes my phone plugs in there. So I decided to buy this. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of it. You can see it right there. QINLIANF. I don't know if that's initials that stand for something or if you're supposed to be able to say the word. I don't know. But we are going to go up and we're going to put it on. And you don't just plug it in. There should be a screw available somewhere. Yep. So you actually take the outlet cover off and you use this screw to hold this in place. But we're going to put this on and I'll show you what I got and we're going to plug it in and see how it looks. I think my wife will go for that, or not complain about it too much anyway, let's put it that way. So as you can see, everyone has their favorite chair, and it looks like Sonny likes my chair just as well as I do, don't you, Sonny? So anyway, this is my chair, and here's the table I was telling you about. So I keep my laptop on that little shelf. It's not there now. And behind that is where the plug-in is. So back here, this is the plug-in that we're going to change. You can see my laptop charger is already plugged into it. So in order to do this, you will need a slotted screwdriver, and the screw for the new outlet takes a Phillips screwdriver. So we'll just need to take this off. Very simple. Anyone can do it. You don't have to hire anyone. And there we go. So here's the one we're going to put on. You can see it has the Phillips screw there. So I'm just going to push that out. And then this has one plug in. That one just goes in the bottom. So just plug that in like that. Take our Phillips screwdriver and we will just screw that into the cover plate where the cover plate was screwed in. And there we go. That's what it looks like on the wall. I'm going to plug my computer in because see, there's 2 outlets on this side and 2 on this side, 1 here, and then I got my USBs there. So I think that's going to be great. So yeah, I think as far as charging, I think I'm good to go. So anyway, if you're finding yourself out of power and you need to add spark to your life, this will do it. Hey, if this looks like anything you might be interested in and might be useful around your house, down below in the description is a link to Amazon. I do appreciate it. Otherwise, hey, this is going to end it. A pretty quick one for you. Pretty easy one for you. I don't know if it'll be useful for you, but there it is anyway. I appreciate you all watching. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And I pray that God blesses you. And I hope you all have a wonderful day.